Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, class. Because today we would like to talk about the presentation, and then in this class we would like to present from group A first. I hope the group all ready to presentation, okay? Group A.
Okay, Miss.
The motion is, why is domestic violence a legal consent and how should the law respond?
Okay, Miss. We are from Group A. Will be given opinion. I think, Miss, domestic violence is urgent because it's violation of hak asasi manusia. Miss, banyak korban perempuan tidak bisa akses keadilan. They are silenced.
Okay, very strong point, yeah, Alvin. Yes, domestic violence is a human right violation.
For me, Miss, it's also about worker inside the home. Banyak pekerja rumah tangga yang mengalami KDRT atau eksploitasi. They have no protection.
But I see domestic violence as systemic violence. Yes, Miss. Kalau negaranya itu nggak bisa menegakkan keadilan buat UPKDRT, masyarakat itu bakal kehilangan rasa aman nantinya, Miss.
True, it's not just physical violence. Yes, ada kekerasan psikologis, seksual, juga penelantaran. Thus, an immediate legal response.
I want to support point people with disabilities in families sering kena domestic violence too, tapi tidak kelihatan. Miss, how can they survive kalau akses hukum saja sulit?
Okay, good. Group A, yeah. So we have four issue from Group A: that human right, worker, systematic law enforcement, and vulnerable group. So which one in the most urgent from Group A?
Human right, Miss. Because without rights, victim cannot get justice. UU PKDRT jelas melarang kekerasan, tapi praktiknya masih banyak kendala.
I respect that, but pekerja rumah tangga are invisible. Millions are vulnerable setiap hari.
But systemic enforcement is bigger, Miss. Kalau hukum gak ditegakkan, right and protection are useless.
Yes, but immediate is important. Korban butuh perlindungan sekarang. Restraining order, legal aid.
I think inclusion of vulnerable group like children, elderly, disabled is the most urgent. Miss, kalau ini kan merupakan hukum tidak adil.
Okay, excellent debate. Yeah, Group A. Can you make a group consensus?
Maybe say the systematic law enforcement is most urgent.
Yes, because without information, right cannot be realized.
Agree, but human rights perspective must the foundation.
Okay, and immediate victim protection is all central.
And don't forget inclusion of vulnerable groups.
Okay, very good. So Group A conclude that systematic law enforcement is the most urgent, right? But it must integrate human rights, immediate victim protection, and vulnerable group. Give applause, everyone. Okay, Group B. Your turn. The same question. Why is domestic violence a legal consent? And how should the law respond? Who wants to begin?
I miss. And okay, we are Group B, wanted to give the opinion. Okay, friend. continue from our group. Menurut Miss, it's not fair, guys. It's not fair. I think it's urgent because domestic violence destroy family harmony. Miss, keluarga adalah unit penting masyarakat. Kalau rusak, negara juga rusak.
Okay, good insight, Chris. Yeah, everyone. Family is a core legal and social institution.
For me, it's about law enforcement. Banyak korban yang nggak melapor ke polisi karena takut. Kadang polisi itu suka bilang gini, Miss, ya itu sih urusan keluarga. That's problem.
Okay.
Yes, Miss. But I see economic dependence decay. Yes, Miss. Kalau perempuan bergantung ekonomi pada suami, they cannot escape violence.
That's true, Mila. Yes, I agree to Miss. If without economic independence, victims are stuck. Ya, tapi kalau bicara urgent, legal aid is more immediate.
I support itu Pia. Law enforcement. Kalau harus konsisten. Kalau UPKDRT hanya ada di atas kertas, victim lost trust.
Okay, great point, Group B. Yeah. So we have family, law enforcement, economic independence, and trust. Which one is the most urgent?
Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss. That's true. We think that family, Miss, because if the family collapse, social order juga collapse.
Okay.
Yap, that itu not only law enforcement is number one ya kan?
Yeah.
Kalau polisi nggak jalan, victims cannot be saved, Miss. But the economy is bigger. Without money, victims cannot survive.
Immediate legal aid is urgent. Victim need support sekarang.
Yes, Miss. But without consistent law enforcement, maybe itu semua sia-sia, Miss.
Okay. Now, can we agree on a consensus? Do you agree?
Maybe law enforcement is the most urgent, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Because protection starts from there. But Miss, the light with economy important.
Right. Law enforcement is the best, but with support system.
Okay, Group B, excellent. Yeah. From Group B, conclude that law enforcement is the most urgent, but we must support by economic empowerment, legal aid, and the trust building. Everyone, give applause. All right, Group B. Okay, Group C. Let's continue. The same topical. Why is domestic violence a legal concept? And how should the law respond? Who wants to start?
Hi Miss, we are from Group C. I think it's urgent because domestic violence is often hidden. Banyak kasus di desa itu nggak pernah masuk ke pengadilan, Miss. Victims suffer in silence.
Very important, Bilkis. Yeah, domestic violence is often invisible in society.
For me, it's about children. Bahkan banyak sekali anak jadi korban KDRT, baik langsung maupun tidak langsung. That's serious.
But I see cultural norms as decay. Ya Miss, kalau budaya bilang sih masalah keluarga nggak usah dibawa keluar. Victim won't report. True. Culture is powerful, tapi kalau kita bicara urgent, psychological trauma is more dangerous. Victim suffer long time.
I support Asep Arjuna. Children are the future. Kalau anak trauma, society suffers for generations.
Good. So we have invisibility, children, culture, and trauma. Which is the most urgent?
Invisibility. Kalau misalkan kasus gak kelihatan, gimana hukum bisa bekerja? Hukum gak akan bisa bekerja.
No. children first. They are vulnerable.
But culture is the root. Without cultural change, hukum gak akan berjalan. Immediate trauma, care is urgent. Victims need healing sekarang.
Children are the priority, Miss. But we also need systematic solution.
Can you reach consensus?
Okay, children are most urgent.
Yes, because they are the most vulnerable.
Agree, but culture must be addressed too. And trauma care must be part of the law response.
So, children first, but integrate with culture and trauma solutions.
Excellent synthesis. So, Group C conclude the children's protection is the most urgent, but law must also address cultural barrier and trauma recovery. Give applause, class.